Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it has been so long since I've done a little backyard tour. So this morning I just felt inspired to do it because we had a nice little rainstorm. We've had a couple of beautiful days. So I just wanted to walk up and show you my Mayday tree. It is, you can kind of see it over there. I'm just gonna walk down here and show you. It is so in full bloom and it is so pretty. Look, it's so pretty. Let's go up. I'll show you one of the branches close up, and it smells divine. It is so yummy. So yeah, the Mayday tree is just really a special one to me. My dad always had a Mayday tree in our yard. I remember one died and he replaced it with a Mayday tree right after because he just loved it. Well, let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, I can show you where I've been working. I've been telling you that I'm picking needles. So this is my peony garden right here. They're just starting to come up and starting, not even close to blooming, but I had to pick needles. See, there's this tree, right? That tree right there. It really drops its needles everywhere. So yeah, I've been pulling the needles out of there. And then, let's see, let's walk over here for a second. Yeah, excuse me, there's the trunk of the culprit tree. But so right now we're in the process of this area because it's full of pine needles from those trees. Yeah, so it's a big job, and on these rocks it just kills you because you kind of have to go slanty wise to pull out the needles, but it looks so much better when they're gone. And then of course, oh, I've got my little irises there. Super excited because we're getting our house painted this year. So right now it's that color, and we're gonna go with a brown. I think it will tie into it will just tie in better to the surroundings, you know? So, and we'll paint the little shed too. But I have loved the new deck. It's been awesome. One fun little thing is down over here. I don't know if I can get to it because Mike just planted grass, but I'll show you. So right here, see, Mike planted grass right down here by this step. Well, right on the other side of that rail right there, there's a little part that goes under, and guess what? There's a baby bunny in there. There is a baby bunny in there. So anyway, quick little backyard spring tour. Yes, the snow has melted finally, and my sweet little Mayday tree is blooming. So I just had to come out and sniff the fresh air and tell you about the yard a little bit. So I hope you guys all have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we will see you next time. Bye.